Oh, I am come to the low country. Oh, hone, oh, hone, oh, without a penny in my purse to buy a meal to me. It wasna say in the Highland hills, oh, hone, oh, hone, oh, nae woman in the country wide sae happy new as me. For then I had a score o' kye, oh, hone, oh, hone, oh, feeding all hills sae high, and giving milk to me. And there I had 80 o' yows, oh, hone, oh, hone, oh, skipping all bonny nows, and casting woo to me. I was the happiest o' a' the clan, sair, me airy pine, for Donald was the brawest man, and Donald he was mine. Till Charlie Stewart came at last, sae far to set us free. My Donald's arm was wanted then for Scotland and for me. Their way fu fate, what need I tell? Right to the rang did yield. My Donald and his country fell upon the Culloden field. Oh, oh, Donald, oh. Oh, 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 nae woman in the world wide sae wretched new as me. Ye Jacobites by name, lend an ear, lend an ear. Ye Jacobites by name, lend an ear. Ye Jacobites by name, your faults I will proclaim, your doctrines I mun blame. Ye shall hear, ye shall hear, your doctrines I mun blame, ye shall hear. What is right and what is wrong, by the law, by the law. What is right and what is wrong, by the law. What is right and what is wrong, a short sword and a long, a weaker man a strong, for to draw, a weaker man a strong, for to draw. What makes heroic strife, famed afar, famed afar? What makes heroic strife, famed afar? What makes heroic strife, to whet the assassin's knife, or hunt a parent's life, we bloody war, bloody war, or hunt a parent's life, we bloody war? Then let your schemes alane in the state, in the state. Then let your schemes alane in the state. Then let your schemes alane adore the rising sun, and leave a man undone to his fate, to his fate, and leave a man undone to his fate. Burns wrote, "Oh, I am come to the low country," in 1794, and it was published in 1796, which then was the 50th commemoration of the Battle of Culloden. Burns had heard it from a Highland lady, and in fact I know that song as a Highland widow's lament. And he managed to put into her mouth the words of women over centuries who've been picking up the pieces of conflict and soldiering on to rebuild society. We can hear in her words the same words as Vere Britton's testament of youth about World War I. The woman's weariness, her grieving, her resignation, and her anger. And that leads on to the second of the two songs, Ye Jacobites by Name. This was an old Jacobite song. In fact, it was an anti-Jacobite song that Burns picked up in 1791 and rewrote in a more even-handed way. I learned this when I was at university in Aberdeen, and I played in an all-girl Callie band. Cleverly putting these two songs together was the idea of my friend Maura Gann, and I think it really picks up that women's perspective of conflict. We used to play this all the time, often at wedding receptions, made for a cheery time, but then that's the role of women, to keep going on.